I've lived in the city of Pittsburgh my whole life, and I've been in Hazelwood for about a decade. My favorite thing about my community is the community, right? So it's the people that are here, the people who grew up here, the people who are new here. A lot of my neighbors have lived here their whole lives, and their parents have lived here a long time as well. I've always appreciated alternative energy sources. I didn't really know a whole lot about solar panels, but I did know that the cost prohibitiveness of them seemed to me at the time anyway to be enough for me to be like, well, solar's great, but it's just not for me, you know? Hazelwood Initiative had announced that they were teaming up with Solar United to offer residents the chance to get solar panels on their home for low-income residents. And when I saw that, I knew I had to apply. Hearing this opportunity to get solar panels come from them, it was like, oh, this is legit. Like, they say I'm gonna own them, I'm gonna own them. When I think about concerns I might have for going solar, a lot of it had to do with just like the structure of my house, like my roof. I knew my roof was gonna need to be replaced within a decade. Being able to work with EIS and have them come over and assess the condition of my roof was really helpful. Now that I've gone solar, my monthly electric bills, I'm basically just paying for the distribution charge. The money that I don't spend on the electric bill, I spend it other places. The process of getting the panels and, getting the roof and all of that and saving that money, it's really just giving me the self-esteem to keep doing other projects in my house. I'm like, well, this worked. Clearly I can figure it out. I really hope that we're able to just keep making renewable energy enticing for people to participate in, not just for the cost-saving benefits, but just for the diversifying of where we get our energy from. Knowing that Sun is able to pull people together into a co-op to get lower prices, I'm able to tell people about that as well. In 10 years, I would hope that the residents that call this community home are able to still do that development without displacement.